Good afternoon, welcome to Guaranty RV Supercenter here in Junction City, Oregon. Today I'm going to show you the Winnebago Spirit, the 22R. Come on inside, let's take a look at this compact unit. This is a nice compact 22-foot coach. You've got a corner bed, lots of storage on top. You've got a TV mounted on the wall over here, a nice big window, it gets great light. You've got a corner bathroom. Good storage in there, places to hang all your hooks for your robe or your towels. You got your double door refrigerator, freezer on top. More storage over here to your right. You've got a couple drawers and a large wardrobe. All of your monitors are up here, directly next to your microwave. You get the microwave, the hood here, 3-burner stove, a deep sink. This is obviously your booth dinette. This goes down to make this into a bed as well for extra sleeping if you're having somebody over. Also, that turns into a bed. You've got large windows, and then another TV up here on the right hand side. Good storage above the dinette. This is on a Ford 350 chassis. You've got a backup camera. You've got side view cameras. You've got a large awning that runs the full length of your coach. This storage you can access it by 2 points. A large area here or the smaller one in the back. Up there you can see your rear view camera. Over here is all of your fills. So you've got your sewer, your city fill, your cable in, your generator access. All of that's over here on this side for you. Here in the rearview mirror, you can see where your side view cameras are. Those are really cool to have. Well, like I said, this is a compact unit. This one can go anywhere. If you have questions about this 22R or any of the other units we've got out here, give me a call. My name's Brandy.Morgan. I'll be happy to help you out. Thanks.